Hi guys, it's Lotta from Crocoblock. In this short video, we'll find out how to display posts dynamically in the vertical timeline widget. Make sure you have JetElements and JetEngine activated. Please subscribe if you didn't do it yet, click the notification bell, and let's hop right in. First of all, we need to create a custom query in the Query Builder. From the dashboard, proceed to JetEngine, Query Builder. Click Add New at the top. To find out more about Query Builder functionality, click here. Type the name, I add the query at once, and move on. It's a post query since it queries posts from JetEngine CPT. Post type is job experience in my case. You need to set your CPT here and update the query. Now we need to apply this query to create dynamic content. Add new page. I give it a title and publish it. And then press Edit with Elementor. You can set a title for the page that you see on the front end. I'm using a heading element for this. Then find Vertical Timeline widget. Drag and drop it onto the page. In the Cards tab, leave only one card, remove the rest. Then enable Use JetEngine Query. Select the query we have just created. And now let's add the content. As you remember, we want our content to be dynamic. That's why we'll use dynamic tags. With the help of them, the content from our post will be pulled into the widget. If it's not clear enough yet, don't worry, just follow me and you will see for yourself. We will use dynamic tag for the title. We set custom field and select the name of it. Company name in my case. In meta, we want to set date. Same thing with description. I will set position here. You can choose any of your fields. Update the page. Let's have a look at the front end. Go to the WordPress dashboard, All Pages, and press View under our page. Here it is. All the titles changed, and the descriptions as well. Now let's add a new post. Give it a name and fill the following data. Publish it, and let's view the page again. You see, the new post was pulled automatically into the widget. Same thing if you remove the post, it will be removed from the timeline. I will go back to the custom query to make some changes. I will add an order by date from lowest to highest. It means the oldest post will be at the top. Update the query and go back to the front end. And that's it. We created a vertical timeline and ordered it by date. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share your feedback below, and see you in the next video. Cheers!